Okay, this technique is called Erawan Soinga for the hands this time. So this is version punch. So this time, instead of you throwing the counter elbow when your opponent's trying to punch you, this time your opponent is throwing the elbow and you're going to counter with a punch. Okay? The technique is usually applied when somebody throws a vertical elbow like a tatbala. What you do is you parry out of the way and throw an uppercut, or sometimes you parry simultaneously with the uppercut right after. So you go boom. As he throws a vertical elbow this way, boom, I get out of the way and I throw that uppercut. Okay, so again, slowly, get closer. As he throws his vertical elbow, I parry and uppercut. Okay, do it now again. Ready?